Look at this! Can you believe the hotel upgrade we got?
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
Additionally, airlines worried that many radios might interfere with navigation and comms, so devices had to be silent. Fact or myth? Modern planes barely get affected. Still, rules stuck down. Safety first, and pilots prefer fewer surprises. People found other perks. Airplane mode saves battery, blocks calls, and gives instant privacy.
So what's the secret? Airplane mode started for safety, turned into a privacy and battery trick. Use it wisely.